shit. I be a white boy, but I still say, nigga, what you wanna do? Get press that trigger. Blow at my brains, cause I be spitting insane. Cause you don't even know that my first name is Shane and my last name is Fish. So, bitch, make a wish, cause you know damn well I be serving her that dish, cause that dish is great. I stack it up on a plate. I do the shit cause it's wider. I do the shit cause I'm nicer. I do the shit cause I'm meaner. Damn well I be cleaner, cause I'm going in like this. Fuck a misdemeanor in my seat, that's what I got. Man, that's on my record. Fuck that shit, cause you know damn well when you spin my record. You spin my record cause you love my fucking songs and you love my flow. Damn well I spit hella long. Call this shit freestyle, whatever you wanna do. Cause you know damn well I'm chillin' with my crew. We at the shack, we bring it back, cause you know damn I'm gonna make, cause you know damn I hate it like a motherfucker, bitch, my bad. Straight up in a pussy, I get that so wet, and I get it nice and juicy, call it Starburst. Cause it's chewy and it's great, cause you know damn well I told you, man, you niggas wanna hate. I keep on laughing, cause I like class, nigga, I be graphing up how I'm getting my money right. Like I said, my pockets be hella tight, just like my jeans. I told you, fool, don't mess with the flow. I'm Mr. Clean, no bald head, no earring. But I'm about to do this shit. When I fuck the bitch, I make her scream. Ah! Like a beat. What you wanna say? Dance with your fucking feet. I get down when I motherfucking faded, cause you know damn well I never be played outdated.